G'day, here's a small parcel of material of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. Wet material's been wetted to help show the colour bars or opal bars and the rules in millimetres. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some of this material I've just thrown in, and the material has been basically sold as practice material, a piece like that. Just learn to get the feel with the grinder. These pieces, what you need to do is learn how to follow the seams, but you need to learn to read the rock first. Each piece is different, of course. Pieces, little seam there on the back or on the front, whichever way you look. So you always need to look at a stone all over. As you can see here, goes in underneath there. Cut the opal bar. This piece probably shouldn't be in here. Nice vibrant blues. Nice little specimen even if you just left it as it is. That might cut a nice stone out of there. Some of the other pieces, like I say, aren't as good, of course. If it was all like that last piece, then the price would be a lot more. A piece like that I've just thrown in, you need to learn to grind down and when to stop, so then you can polish and use those sort of pieces as practice. Again, a seam. Just grind that down to see what you're going to get. Piece like that, semi-crystal, see-through. But then there's another vein here. Again, decide what you want to save. Maybe make that the top. Cut that off with a saw and grind down. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.